Hello viewers, welcome to Bali Channel Tourist TV with me Dwi.
And with me Farah.
And today we are coming to you from Alam Puri Art Museum Villa located at Tenggara Street, Penatih Indah, Pasar, Bali.
So viewers, we are going to experience this villa as well as the museum. So this is also the place as the centers of blockchain activities in Bali. And today we have special performance. We're going to see dance performance or collaboration between India and Bali.
Wow, I can wait to explore the place.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Welcome to Alam Puri Art Museum and Resort. Here we have 17 villas that every villa is consists of all the painting collection of our own. So this villa is named by all the famous painters such as Bendi Villas, Gusti Nyoman Lempat Villas, Gunarso Villas, Ridi Villas, and a lot of another Bali famous painter. We also own a museum, the one and only tribal art museum in Indonesia, which display all the art and craftsmen from all the tribes in Indonesia. Here in Alam Puri, we are a part of the bigger holdings named Alam Hotel Group, which own another hotels in Ubud and Semina.
Wow, it's amazing. Nice view. And viewers, we are here now at Lempat Villa, which is complete with some facilities.
This villa surrounded viewers with the beautiful view of rice field, river and the pool. And for the facilities inside the villa, king size bed, honeymoon setup, and there's also private pool. It's very amazing.
Awesome.
We are from Ranchimall, and Ranchimall is an internet-based company. We follow two rules. All our products are digital and are supposed to be distributed across the internet, and all our products have to be unique. We chose Alam Puri Art Museum as the world's first blockchain resort because our founders, when they met and they were discussing ideas, they realized their visions matched. This is a true synergy of art, blockchain and real estate.
Blockchain technology is the biggest revolution that's happening right now. It is the future of internet. Internet is all about, as we know, it's collaboration. And blockchain technology just takes that collaboration to the next level. And the most important part of the blockchain technology is that it brings trust among the people who don't know each other and anywhere in the world. That means people who can come together and create wealth for each other. Some of the features of blockchain is that this blockchain technology information is not controlled by anyone, any individual or any group of people. And the information stored in the blockchain is public and that cannot be altered and modified. Therefore, it can prevent any potential fraud or cheating.
Bali is world famous for its art and culture and traditions, and one of the prime focus of Ranchimall blockchain contract is art and culture. Dance is an integral part of both Balinese and Indian culture. Since this was one of a series of events that we are going to have at the resort, we chose to inaugurate with a cross-cultural dance event. We are blessed to have Sekar Group performing Balinese dance and Academy of Indian Dance performing Indian classical and folk dances. To join us at this event, we have invited people from all sections of the society, including people from government, digital nomads, people from business world, and local diaspora.
All the products of Ranchimall are blockchain contracts. To explain blockchain contracts to you, take an analogy of buying a bottle of water. When you buy a bottle of water, it's a one-time expenditure. But what if that expenditure can be a long-term investment where you gain money?
Well viewers, after we experienced the hotel and the museum, now it's time to eat at Terrace Restaurant.
Yeah, it's time to eat now. And today we have a special menu, crispy duck combined with vegetable and Balinese sauce.
So viewers, if you want to know more information about this villa, you can visit www.alampurivilla.com. So that's it for today. I'm Farah.
And I'm Dwi, and see you in another tourism destination, only on Bali Channel Tourist TV. Goodbye.